In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 24th November 2021, which is Wednesday. Now let's look at Nifty. You can see that from here Nifty fell with a lower high lower low formation. It broke the low here, and you can see if you extend the line that this used to be the support. Now this low, you can see there is a line, and these two candles together is what we call a piercing pattern. And piercing pattern is a bullish reversal sign. So this is a reversal signal, and then you can see that this line, which is the support, it has closed above it, and piercing pattern on a support line is considered as a 5-star formation. Now you can just target for 18,200 level again with the lowest stop loss, and you can enter above it. So on an hourly chart, you can see that from here it has made a sharp recovery and it has halted in between. So if this level is crossed, then this could be the target, which is around 17,800, and the on the lower side 17,200 would be the support. And now if you look in the Telegram, this is a channel stock market ritual where I said that Nifty may take support at 17,250, and it was on November 22nd, yesterday. I said clearly, and it actually happened. And then today I said don't panic, today could be the bottom, the last day of Nifty fall, and you can see what has happened. Here I also give some trades that I take or that I found good. So you can join this channel, Stock Market Ritual, on Telegram. Okay, now on 15-minute chart, what you can do tomorrow immediately. Now this is kind of a box. So if it opens flat, takes support, and then slowly starts going up, then you can buy. These levels could be the target. It is around 17,800, 17,680. You can keep a 20-25 point stop loss and buy if it takes support and starts going up. And if it comes down, then it will hit support at numerous levels. So from every level, you can see some bounce back, even if it has to fall. But 17,200 if broken, then there will be sharp fall on the downside. Now let's look at Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty has made similar kind of pattern. Only thing is that this is also piercing pattern. But only thing is that it is a lot weaker. So it's showing weakness. It couldn't break, it couldn't close above the resistance level like Nifty. So this is still a resistance level, and if it consolidates and goes up, then these levels could come in the coming days. And if it slides down, then it will be volatile within this level. So if it spends time within this level and breaks out, or it breaks down, then we can find some trend in Bank Nifty. Now in hourly chart, you can see that this from here it fell. So if this level is crossed on the upside, even if it consolidates and cross on the upside, then above this level we can buy, keeping stop loss near this level, keeping stop loss near that point, and on the downside these could be the support levels. Now what you can do immediately tomorrow is that if it crosses above this high, then you can buy, keeping these levels as stop loss, and you can target minimum this level is around 37,800 and higher. And if it breaks down, then this could be the immediate support, and if it breaks this level, then you can keep a stop loss near this level and you can aim for this level, which is around 36,200, 36,300, like that. So the first stock is Aurobindo Pharma. Now it has made a bullish engulfing, a strong bullish engulfing, and tomorrow if it continues this move, then we can buy. If it crosses this level, then we can buy above 653. And if you look in 15-minute chart, you will see that there is kind of a box before a breakout, so you can keep this box as a stop loss. So what you can do is you can buy above 653, keeping 649 as stop loss, and the target would be 1:2 on the upside. The next stock is CAMS, or Computer Asset Management Service Limited, and you can see that it has fallen much, and now if this level is crossed, then we can see some series of targets that can be achieved. But for the intraday, we'll aim the first target. In 15-minute chart, you can see that it has closed with a sharp green candle. So we can buy above 3075, keeping a 10-point stop loss, and 1:2 will be the target on the upside. The next stock is NTPC. You can see here is also a piercing kind of pattern, but a strong closing in fact. So it's likely to continue, and if it does, then we can buy above the high of this candle, which is 134, keeping a 2 to 3 point stop loss, and 1:2 will be the target on the upside. The next stock is IndusInd Bank. Among all the sectors, banking sectors are looking much weaker, and this is a consolidation zone, and it is taking support, which has been tested multiple times. So if this low is crossed, then we can go short below 974, keeping a 4 to 5 point stop loss, and 1:2 target can be easily achieved on the downside. So that's for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.